Hello children, today we are going to cover the Magic Garden from Marigold book for class 3rd. Okay children, first of all tell me one thing. Do you like to go to garden? Do you like garden? I'm sure yes, you like gardens because in the garden you play there and you can see different kind of flowers, different kind of swings. You enjoy there and play there. So I am sure that everybody likes to go to garden. But this garden which we are going to read about, it is a magic garden. This story is about a garden which is in a playground. How the children come to play and water the plants and feed the birds, we will read in this story. So let's start. The Magic Garden. The Magic Garden was in a school playground. Where was that garden? That Magic Garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. That garden was very beautiful. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. And where were the sunflowers and roses? They were near the walls. There were also marigolds, poppies and pansies. And other flowers were also there. Marigolds, poppies and pansies. Do you know children? What means of poppies and pansies? Poppies means chabutre ka पौधा and pansies means a plant that has flowers of many different colors with rounded petals. एक ऐसा प्लांट जिसमें बहुत सारे डिफरेंट कलर्स के फ्लावर्स होते हैं और उसकी जो पंखुड़ियाँ होती हैं दैट इज राउंडेड इन शेप, वो मुड़ी हुई होती हैं, गोल गोल होती हैं. एंड मैरीगोल्ड मीन्स गेंदा. वहाँ पे कौन कौन से फ्लावर्स थे? सनफ्लावर्स, सूरजमुखी के फ्लावर्स, रोजेज, गुलाब के फ्लावर्स और मैरीगोल्ड्स, गेंदे के फ्लावर्स, पॉपीज एंड पेंसीज. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. The sunshine fell on this garden more than any other. जो सूरज की रोशनी थी, लाइट थी, वो इस गार्डन में सबसे ज़्यादा पड़ती थी comparison to other places. And the flower danced and sang happily. और जो flowers थे they were happy, they danced and sang. वो बहुत ही खुश होते थे, खुशी से नाचते थे और गाते थे. They said to one another, we have hundreds of little gardeners. What they were talking? They were saying to each other, we have hundred of little gardeners. We are having lot of gardeners. We are having hundreds of little gardeners. What means of gardeners, children? A person who take cares of garden. वह व्यक्ति जो गार्डन की देखभाल करता है, that is called gardener. और what they were talking? They were saying कि हमारे पास कई 100 gardeners हैं. They were the children from the school. Who were the gardeners? They were the small children from the school. वो gardeners कौन थे? वो माली कौन थे? वो माली स्कूल के बच्चे थे. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. One sunny morning, sunny means morning with the sun, मतलब सूरज की रोशनी हो, बादल ना हो, सूरज की रोशनी हो. उस मॉर्निंग में क्या था? सनी मॉर्निंग में the flowers were talking to the birds. The flowers, they were talking to the birds. वो पक्षियों से बातें कर रहे थे. Who were talking? Flowers were talking. And listen children, have you seen the flowers were talking? No, you haven't seen. But in this magic garden, the flowers talk. They were talking that time. They were talking with the birds. What they were saying? I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all, said a poppy. A poppy plant said, I love all the children. मैं सभी बच्चों से प्यार करता हूँ, but I love the dear little ones most of all. लेकिन मैं छोटे बच्चों से ज़्यादा प्यार करता हूँ. I like them to bring their watering canes and water my thirsty root. I like them, I love them because they bring their watering cans and they water my thirsty roots. What the flowers were saying? वो flowers कह रहे थे, पॉपी फ्लावर कह रहा था कि मैं छोटे बच्चों से इसलिए प्यार करता हूँ क्योंकि वो मेरे लिए वाटर केन्स लाते हैं और मेरी थर्स्टी रूट्स को, प्यासी जड़ों को पानी देते हैं. Now see on page number 5. We love the little children, said a tiny bird. And then a tiny bird said, एक छोटे से बर्ड ने कहा, We love the little children. हम भी छोटे बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. They are kind and they bring bread for us. What the bird said? उस बर्ड ने क्या कहा? The bird said they are kind. Who are kind? The small children are kind. उसने कहा कि हम छोटे बच्चों से ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं क्योंकि वो बहुत ही काइंड होते हैं, दयालु होते हैं और हमारे लिए ब्रेड लाते हैं, खाना लाते हैं. All the flowers said, सभी फ्लावर्स ने कहा, We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty. उन्होंने कहा कि हमें हार्ड वर्क करना चाहिए. For what? किस लिए? To make our dresses very beautiful. हमें अपनी ड्रेसेस को ब्यूटीफुल बनाने के लिए और हार्ड वर्क करना चाहिए. Do you know what are their dresses? Their dresses are their petals. उनकी पंखुड़ियाँ ही उनकी ड्रेसेस होती हैं. For the children will be here soon. And they were saying, we will make our dresses very pretty for the children. They will come here and they will play here and they will be very happy. The sun said, I will help you also. What the sun said? Because with the help of sun, they will grow and they will shine. The sun said, I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the garden sunshine. The sun said, सूरज ने कहा कि मैं भी तुम्हारी हेल्प करूंगा क्योंकि कोई और चीज मुझे इतना खुश नहीं करती है जितना कि इस गार्डन में खेलते हुए बच्चे जो कि गोल्डन सनशाइन में दौड़ते हैं, सुनहरी धूप में दौड़ते हैं. Suddenly the children came out laughing and singing. अचानक से क्या हुआ? The children came there. They were laughing and they were singing. बच्चे वहां आए, वो हंस रहे थे और गा रहे थे. And the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. That time the flowers stopped their talking, they stopped their songs because they wanted to listen the children. क्योंकि वो बच्चों को सुनना चाहते थे. Oh, look at the tall sunflower, said one child. एक बच्चे ने कहा, Look at the tall sunflower. उस सनफ्लावर को देखो कितना लंबा है. And the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. और उसने अपना जो सनफ्लावर है उसने अपना हेड प्राउडली, गर्व से ऊंचा किया है. Because that flower is standing straight. Another child said, दूसरे बच्चे ने कहा, I love the marigold in its golden dress. मुझे ये मैरीगोल्ड गोल्डन ड्रेस में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. The marigold smiled happily. Hearing this, the marigold smiled. He was very happy. On next page, It was indeed a magic garden. वह वास्तव में मैजिक गार्डन था. Because it had fairies too. Because fairies were also there. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. because they danced, they were very happy. The fairies were very happy. They danced and sang sweet songs. उन्होंने वह नाच रही थी, उन्होंने गाया भी, but their voice only could be heard by the children. लेकिन उनको सिर्फ बच्चे ही सुन सकते थे. After a time the fairies came out dancing and talked with the children. कुछ समय बाद फेरीज वहां पे आई, उन्होंने डांस किया और बच्चों से बातें की. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. How were their dresses? Their dresses were made of flowers. उनकी ड्रेसेस फ्लावर्स की बनी हुई थी. And their wings of sunshine. और उनके जो विंग्स थे वो मतलब चमक रहे थे सूरज की रोशनी की तरह. The magic garden was quiet that night. उस रात मैजिक गार्डन बिल्कुल शांत हो गया, वहां पे कोई नहीं था. द फ्लावर्स एंड बर्ड्स वर asleep. फ्लावर्स भी सो गए और बर्ड्स भी सो गए. एंड ड्रीमिंग ऑफ द नेक्स्ट डे, और सपना लेने लगे अगले दिन का. व्हेन द चिल्ड्रन वुड कम अगेन, जब चिल्ड्रन दोबारा वहां आएंगे. यू कैन सी द फेरीज, यू कैन सी द चिल्ड्रन, हाउ दे वर हैप्पी. द फेरीज were dancing and they were singing the songs. This story is adapted from The Fairy Garden by Margaret H. Bolton. In the next video, we will complete the other exercises of this chapter. Thank you.